So, have you ever wondered how an electrical substation works? Friends, the electrical substation works because of the equipments installed in the substation. Each equipment installed in the substation performs a special function which helps to transmit the power efficiently. So, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about the essential equipments used in an electrical substation. So friends, electrical substation are powering the world, and today we are going to discuss about the essential equipments in electrical substations. So what are the vital roles that a substation plays? A substation manages power distribution. A substation efficiently directs energy flow from generation sources to the consumers. Then the substation ensures grid reliability. It maintains stable and consistent operation of the power system. Next function is safe and efficient operation. The critical infrastructure for managing voltage and current is provided by the substation. Substation keeps the voltage and current level within the stipulated requirement of the value. So substations are the heart of the grid. So first equipment, that is power transformer. Power transformers are also known as voltage architects. These are very big in size and they adjust the voltage level, enabling efficient long distance transmission and safe local distribution of the energy. They also step up and step down the voltage, and they are crucial for voltage conversion. They have high capacity. Often the high capacity starts from 500 kVA and above. The key components of a power transformer are windings, core, and specialized cooling system. Now here, the cooling may be oil type or air type. We will discuss about the power transformer in next video. Then next important equipment is circuit breaker. They are the guardians of the grid. They interrupt the fault and automatically open the circuit to protect equipment during short circuits or overload. Then they have high speed operation. They are designed to break the flow of current instantly to minimize the damage. They have varied sizes and their ratings depend on the type of application. For example, in 132 kV substation, the breaking capacity of circuit breaker differs than from a 33 kV substation. So next important equipment is switchgear. It is the control center of the substation. The switchgear term is a collective set of switching and interrupting devices that control, protect, and isolate the electrical equipment. They include disconnectors that isolate the parts of the substation for maintenance, and it also includes fuses. Those are essential for overcurrent protection. And lastly, lightning arresters. Now the lightning arresters are storm defenders. They deflect the surges, immediately suppress the transient voltage spikes caused by the lightning strikes or switching operations. During lightning strikes or switching operations, the voltage level can go high up. So in that case, lightning arresters are used for protection of the equipment. Then lightning arresters divert the surges to the ground. They safely channel excess damaging electrical energy directly into the earth. They ensure reliability, a critical component for protecting high value equipment and maintaining grid uptime during inclement weather. The next important equipment are the bus bars. They are also known as electrical highways. They are nothing but a thick metal conductors, usually copper or aluminum, that distribute power within the substation. So there can be two types of bus bar arrangement. That can be single bus bar system or double bus bar system. In a single bus bar system, there is a single conductor path and they have no redundancy. In a double bus bar system, there are parallel conductors which provides redundancy. Means if we have to shut down one bus bar system for maintenance purpose, then the second bus bar system can parallelly operate. Then what are the materials used? High conductivity copper or aluminum for maximum current flow, connectivity for all incoming and outgoing lines, transformers, and circuit breakers. Then configuration can be, as we have discussed, single bus bar system or double bus bar system. Then how to protect the flow of energy? The flow of energy is protected by the following equipment. They are instrument transformers such as current transformers or potential transformers. They safely measure high currents and voltages for metering and protection purpose. Now this current and voltage measurement is supplied to the protective relays which monitor grid conditions and activate circuit breakers immediately when the fault are detected. If the current measured by the current transformer exceeds the permissible value, then the protective relays send signal to the breakers, and they immediately isolate the equipment in order to protect from the fault. Then the next important equipment is battery bank. They ensure control and protection circuits remain operational during the power outages. If there is any power outage in a substation, then the battery banks acts as a backup to ensure the protection equipment runs safely. Then the capacitors and reactors they use for managing the reactive power, improve power quality, and prevent equipment overloading. So friends, these were the essential equipments which are used in an electrical substation, which helped the electrical substation to run smoothly. Thank you.